Angel says, "My beloved child, I bring you a message filled with love and concern. There is something important I must share with you. People are talking about your voice, especially someone very dear to you. They are finding it hard to express their feelings for you because of it. It's difficult for them to open up about their love when they are struggling with your voice. But don't worry, my dear. You will understand everything soon enough. Just keep this message close to your heart until the very end. Like this video and subscribe if you trust angels. Angel says, "My beloved child, your voice, though it may seem like an obstacle now, is just a small part of who you are. Your true beauty lies in your spirit, your kindness, and your unique essence. Embrace your voice and let it be a part of your authentic self. Love is stronger than any barriers, even the sound of a voice. Trust that love will find a way to overcome any challenges. And when the time comes from love to be expressed, remember that your voice is just a small piece of the beautiful symphony of love between you and your beloved." Like this video and type 111 if you are ready to face what's coming next. Are you ready to break free from financial struggles and unlock the abundant life you deserve? With our product, you will harness the universe's power to manifest wealth and success effortlessly. Whether it's boosting your income, launching your dream business, or transforming your financial landscape, our tool and studies will guide you every step of the way. Don't delay your journey to prosperity any longer. Start manifesting your financial dreams today. Check out the pinned comment for more details. Angel says, "My dear child, I have something important to tell you about the one who holds you close to the heart. They are deeply in love with you, but there is something about your voice that's making them hesitate to tell you. They adore your voice, my dear. To them, it's like the sweetest music, something they want to listen to forever. They dream of growing old with you, spending every moment by your side. They want to take you out on dates to show you how much you mean to them. Like this video and type yes if you trust angels. Angel says, "My dear child, but despite all these feelings, they are scared. They worry that you won't take them seriously because of your divine angelic voice. They fear rejection, thinking they are not good enough for someone as special as you. But don't lose hope, my child. Their love for you is strong, stronger than their fears. They would do anything for you if only they knew you felt the same way. Like this video and type 777 if you need this. Angel says, "My dear child, there is something important I want to share with you about someone who holds you dear. They feel a deep connection to you, believing you bring healing and stability to their life. They want to be by your side always. This person loves you deeply, my dear. They are ready to give you everything because they cherish you so much. But they are struggling with insecurity. They worry that someone might take you away from them in an instant. Like this video and type 111 if you needed this. Angel says, "My dear child, they see your beauty inside and out, and it makes them feel possessive. They are afraid of losing you to someone else because they value you immensely. They want clarity in your relationship and plan to talk to you about it soon. But don't worry, my child. Their feelings come from a place of love. They simply want to ensure you stay in their life, bringing joy and light. So, when they come to you, listen with love and understanding. Reassure them of your love and commitment. Together, you can overcome any challenges. Angel says, "My dear child, so dear one, don't let their fears stop you from loving them back. Show them that your love goes beyond words, beyond voices. Together, you can overcome anything." Like this video and type Amen if you trust in your love. Today's prayer for love's embrace and financial golden light. Repeat after me. Dear God above, hear my cry. Make my partner see eye to eye. to love and accept me as I am, with all my flaws, just like a lamb. Grant us financial blessings too. Let abundance flow our worry stream. Fill our home with warmth and light, and guide us through each day and night. With love and wealth let us thrive. In your care we feel alive. May our hearts be filled, our troubles cease. In your embrace we find peace. Sunshine of money I also ask, to chase away shadows and complete the task. No more burdens, worries take flight. Abundance blossom, making things right. With open heart this wish I send, hoping love and money will never end. Blessings fall on me and mine, a happy future for our sign. Like this video and type Amen to claim this prayer.